If you feel like that you're invisible in life, if you feel like you do a lot at work but it doesn't get recognized as much, and the work that you do uska utna zyada aapko impact nahi milne wala, then I'm going to tell you something today. Okay, I was someone who solo traveled along with my consulting job. I was mentoring on the side, I was focusing on my hobbies, I was traveling as well, which takes a lot of time. I was doing all of that, and yet despite it I got 2 level promotions in just 1.5 years. How did that happen? See, people do not really care what you're doing. I mean, they do, but if you look at it, visibility is all that matters. आप कितना काम कर रहे हो उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, but how much of that people do people recognize, that is all that matters. अगर आप 10 काम कर रहे हो लेकिन लोगों को सिर्फ 2 पता है, that you're someone who is worth it 2 only, and अगर आप 5 काम कर रहे हो लेकिन वो 5 के 5 काम लोगों को पता है, then आपका उस 10 कामों को करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है when those 5 things can give you results in life. So that is what we're going to talk about today. Career branding, why is it important, and how it contributes to not just your visibility at work and in your industry and in your professional career, but also how it helps you to get promoted and get a lot more opportunities. So I am someone who has changed my brand from being a corporate professional to now someone who is doing a mentoring business, author, and I get invited for interviews and sessions to different places. And the reason why all of that happened is because I worked on my personal brand and I made sure that I make it a strong one, and I'm still going ahead and making efforts into it. So आपको भी वो करना पड़ेगा. You have to understand, it's not, people do not actually promote potential. People do not promote or give opportunities to the person who they think is hardworking. People promote visibility. People promote your perceived value. Okay, लोग आपको आपकी perceived value के हिसाब से समझते हैं. They do not really, they can't never know that what your potential truly is. What you are showing to them is what, on the basis of that only, that perceived value only, will they be giving you opportunities or giving you different things in life. I'm actually shooting this outside. A lot of people are talking around me, and that's why I'm not able to focus. But let's just make sure that I'll just try finishing this in quickly in 10 to 15 minutes. So आपको समझना होगा कि if you feel invisible, then it's not only that you're losing out on career opportunities, it actually impacts us as humans personally as well. Brain, for us, social recognition is a basic need. Okay? And it actually goes and hits the same centers in our brain which relate to physical pain. So emotional pain की तकलीफ is equal to physical pain की तकलीफ in our brain. So not only are we not getting promoted if you're not focusing on our personal branding, if we are invisible in life and half of your life goes at work, if you're invisible at work, it will impact you personally as well. You will feel personally, you may feel sad, you may feel isolated. And that is the reason why you need to work on your visibility, not only for your career success, but for your personal success as well. Now, as I said, people do not promote potential, they promote perceived value. People do not care how much you do, but what they care about is, are you the kind of person they can go forward to? And have you made sure that people think that about you? So I want you to do a quick reflection right now. Like, ask yourself, what do people think about me? If somebody has to think about me at work, what will they say about me? And will they say the same thing? Because you are leaving impressions all the time. Your impressions, your personal brand is getting made all the time. ठीक है, तो वो people are thinking something about you. That is happening. But you have to make sure कि वो weak personal brand है कि strong personal brand है. Weak personal brand क्या होता है? For example, take my mom. Okay, even my mom has a personal brand. Different people would think different things about my mom. Different relatives would think differently about my mom. Okay, but strong personal brand का अगर मैं आपको example दूँ, think of Mahatma Gandhi. Everybody thinks, whenever he comes to mind, everybody thinks of non-violence. That's an example of a strong personal brand. तो आपका brand तो already है. But the problem is it a weak brand or is it a strong brand? Weak brand अपने आप बनता है, strong brand के लिए आपको थोड़ा सा कॉन्शियस एफर्ट्स डालने होते हैं, नॉट हार्ड वर्क बट कॉन्शियस एफर्ट्स. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज यू नीड टू आस्क योरसेल्फ व्हाट इट इज दैट आई वांट पीपल टू परसीव अबाउट मी लाइफ में या करियर में या मेरी इंडस्ट्री में, बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ यू आर गोइंग टू बी professional senior managers. You want to be recognized in your industry if you want to grow. So uske liye you will have to create a strong personal brand, but before that you have to ask yourself what do I want other people to perceive about me. For example, if I want to create a personal brand, what I do is the question that I ask myself is what do I want other people to perceive about me. And for me it is excellence, it is knowledge, that whenever somebody thinks about me, they should know that Deepa knows a lot about career, she knows a lot about personal growth, she knows about a lot about productivity. And those people who have been following me here, everybody would say the same thing, and that is the reason why people saw it, that this is the person who can talk about career, this is the person who can talk about personal growth and productivity. So I got those interviews and session invitations as well. So वही चीज़ें आपके करियर में भी होंगी. You have to, but first ask yourself, what do I want other people to perceive about me, especially in your company, in your industry, in your professional space. Second thing you want to do is you want to ask yourself, what changes do I want to make sure that they are perceiving me that way. And how will you do that? Start focusing, start talking, network with people, go and talk to your manager and have that clarity. What does he want you to do? How are you going to get promoted? Aapko lagega, like a lot of people have this assumption that you will work hard and you will get promoted, but people actually see other values. So see what are the different kind of things which you will be judged on the basis of, और फिर उन skills को, उन qualities को, उन results को लाना शुरू करो and make strong efforts to do that. And third thing is start talking on meetings, on calls. If you feel like you're someone, मैं तो भाई मेरी बहुत value है, everybody knows that मैं tech में अच्छा हूँ, इसलिए मुझे बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Don't do that to yourself. A lot of people today are really skilled but they do not get promoted. Why? Because people who can talk their value, they are perceived more valuable than a person who is actually valuable. So आपको कोशिश करनी है that you go ahead and you work on your value that way. देखो कि how do I want to be perceived and take efforts towards that. For example, मेरे personal brand को create करने के लिए what I am doing is I am creating content, I am doing these live sessions, I am going and giving sessions, and I do workshops. All of those different things I do because I know this is the way that I can share that knowledge with other people and I can go ahead and create that personal brand. But if you are an employee, how you do it is speak up on meetings. That is first one. Second is start documenting every single fucking thing that you're doing at your work. I'm so sorry to use that word, I don't want to use it, but you have to do it every single day. If you're not writing down what it is that you did today, ठीक है, अगर आपको खुद ही नहीं पता कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं हर दिन क्या करती हूँ, क्या क्या किया है मैंने, ठीक है, बेस्ट ऑफ लक थिंकिंग दैट योर मैनेजर इज गोना रिमेंबर दैट, क्योंकि आप खुद नहीं उस चीज़ को कर रहे हो. सो स्टार्ट डॉक्यूमेंटिंग एवरी सिंगल थिंग दैट यू डू एट वर्क. दैट इज द सेकेंड थिंग. ठीक है, हर रोज़ लिखो कि किन चीज़ों पे वर्क कर रहे हो एंड हर रोज़ अपने मैनेजर से पूछो व्हाट डू आई प्रायोरिटाइज. ही विल फील वैल्यूड एंड एट द सेम टाइम you will make sure that you're not wasting time on things which are hard work but which are not smart work and which do not actually contribute to the bigger picture. Everybody likes to talk about bigger picture today. आपको पता होना चाहिए कुछ भी काम उठा रहे हो उसका पर्पस क्या है, उससे क्या बेनिफिट मिलेगा. तो कुछ भी काम उठाने से पहले हमेशा अपने मैनेजर या बॉस से पूछो एवरी सिंगल डे, अलाइन विद हिम, दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट आई एम गोना पिक अप टुडे, इज इट ओके और यू वांट मी टू प्रायोरिटाइज समथिंग एल्स. Do that and make sure that you're documenting every single thing that you're doing. And then what you do is weekly, bi-weekly or monthly, you just draft a mail to your manager and you actually show that off. It's also called brag book. वो जो document आपने बनाई है उसको brag book भी बोल सकते हैं. So ये आपको थोड़ा सा अच्छे तरीके से करना होगा. यू हैव टू डू इट इन अ वे विच डज नॉट सीम लाइक ब्रैगिंग टू योर मैनेजर. तो वो आपको सोचना पड़ेगा. बट व्हाट यू डू इज यू कुड जस्ट शूट अ मेल टू योर मैनेजर एवरी बाई वीकली और मंथली, saying boss or whatever his name is, see these are the things I achieved, I feel so happy and I just wanted to share them with you. ठीक है, so do that, take that second step of documenting every single thing that you're doing at work. Third thing is have reviews with your manager, all the people. ठीक है, जो भी आपके प्रमोशंस के लिए या आपकी ग्रोथ के लिए उस कंपनी में जिसका से लगता है, जो इंसान डिसाइड करता है. फॉर माई केस इट वॉज माई डायरेक्ट मैनेजर विच वॉज माई टीम लीडर, देन इट वॉज माई मैनेजर्स मैनेजर एंड इट वॉज आर सीनियर मैनेजर एज वेल. ठीक है, तो वो 3 लोगों का से लगता था. तो आई मेड श्योर दैट आई वेंट अहेड एंड आई हैड दोज मीटिंग्स विद पीपल. इफ यू कांट डू नॉट हैव दैट कॉन्फिडेंस इन यू, प्लीज स्टार्ट डेवलपिंग दैट and make sure कि आप वो जाके कर रहे हो. So start doing that, start having those meetings with them and see, उनसे पूछो कि अच्छा मैं ना grow करना चाहता हूँ, या I want to make sure that I actually in a good way, if I have to say it, I want to impress you guys, so what do I do, or I want to grow here, which things in the next 6 months, 3 months or 1 year should I focus on. Once you start doing that, they will give you pointers, exact pointers which will make sure कि आप जाके वो काम कर रहे हो एंड यू आर गेटिंग प्रमोटेड. ठीक है, तो एवरी 3 months डू नॉट वेट फॉर द एंड ऑफ द ईयर टू गेट अ रिव्यू. हर महीने अलाइन करते रहो, अच्छा कितना किया है, क्या क्या किस किस चीज़ पे फोकस करो, अच्छा इस महीने आपको क्या लगता है मैंने क्या किया है और क्या मैं इम्प्रूव कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ. सो कीप ऑन टेकिंग दैट कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म, कीप ऑन शिफ्टिंग दोज गियर्स. इससे पता है क्या होगा, 2 चीज़ें होगी. पहले, सिंस दे आर टेलिंग इट टू यू, जब कोई भी आप एडवाइस मांगते हो ना किसी से, दैट पर्सन वॉन्ट्स यू टू गो अहेड एंड अप्लाई इट, एंड दैट पर्सन इज ऑलवेज लुकिंग आउट. तो योर मैनेजर विल स्टार्ट सीइंग यू मोर, आपकी विजिबिलिटी बढ़ेगी. ठीक है, दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट्स गोना हैपन. सेकेंड थिंग दैट्स गोना हैपन इज दैट वंस दे हैव टोल्ड यू क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, जब आप उसको जाके करोगे उनको अच्छा भी लगेगा. एंड थर्ड थिंग इज यू विल मेक श्योर कि आप बेकार की चीज़ों पे फोकस नहीं करें. बिकॉज आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई हैव सीन सो मैनी प्रोफेशनल्स गोइंग अहेड एंड वर्किंग सो हार्ड, बट उनको ये भी नहीं पता कि वो चीज़ जाके यूज़ कहाँ हो रही है, उसको किया क्यों जा रहा है, एंड वो अलाइनमेंट ही नहीं करते कि सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें क्या हैं. तो आप कम काम करके भी प्रमोट हो सकते हो और ज़्यादा काम करके भी आप उसी करियर में स्टक हो सकते हो, इनविजिबल रह सकते हो अपने काम पे. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू फोकस ऑन विजिबिलिटी, डू दीज 3 थिंग्स. स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग अप ऑन मीटिंग्स, स्टार्ट networking more with not just your colleagues but everybody on the floor, with your managers, with your senior managers. Start documenting everything, create your brag book and mail it to your manager. Third thing is go ahead and have those weekly meetings, or not weekly, I would say monthly or quarterly meetings with your manager and all the people who are going to have a decision and a say when it comes to your promotion and growth in that organization. वो करना शुरू करो and make sure that you're working according to what they are saying. वो देखना है आपको. ठीक है, once you have started doing that, I have literally told you the top 3 things anybody can do by working smart in their work, and they can make sure that they're growing in their career. It has helped me and it is definitely going to help you out. ठीक है, आपको समझना है प्रमोशन या ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ का वेटेज ना दोनों चीज़ों पे जाता है. सब लोगों को लगता है सिर्फ परफॉर्मेंस इज द ओनली मैट्रिक्स, लेकिन परफॉर्मेंस का जो वेटेज होता है दैट इज अराउंड 50 to 70% ओनली. 50 to 60% आई वुड से. रेस्ट रिमेनिंग 30 to 40% पे बहुत लोग फोकस नहीं करते, एंड दैट रिमेनिंग 30 to 40% इज विजिबिलिटी. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू आर नॉट लूजिंग आउट ऑन दैट 30 to 40%. विजिबिलिटी पे फोकस करो. डोंट बी इनविजिबल इन योर करियर. ठीक है, करियर में जब विजिबल होना शुरू हो गए, you will feel good personally as well. So that was the session for today. If anything gave you clarity, if you realize something from this session, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And soon enough, I'm going to lose the access to live. So make sure, the last time I checked, a lot of you watch but do not subscribe or follow. So make sure that you're subscribing to the YouTube channel. All of these videos I'm going to put over there. And you may soon enough not find it here on Insta, because I may lose the access to live. So make sure you're subscribing and following, and if you have any questions, I would love to know those as well. If you have any pointers you want to discuss, I would love to suggest you there as well, or maybe talk it out as well. So let's do that. That was the session for today, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Bye.